Hi my peeps, so guys, I'm gonna go on the road. Like, I'm just gonna pick up some stuff at the, what you call that person? Bashkoff to do my DIY. And this is my outfit for today. Alright guys, so I have my Queens limited edition t-shirt here and all this from Urban Planet, guys. And then I have my jeans, my Refuge 13 Miami jeans here. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna wear. So when I put it on, I'm just gonna show you. And I'm just gonna wear my Nike slippers. Simple and easy. And this is what I'm gonna pair it up with. Alright guys. Whee! Put on the dust off this up. Alright guys, that outfit of the day, guys, I think I'm gonna give it away to someone. So I changed my mind and I'm gonna wear this cute top I got from Urban Planet. Alright. And this one is in the size medium. It's pretty. This is they have these just come now, and then I'm gonna wear it with my high-rise jeans, booty popper. All right, and then I'm gonna just rock it with my Nike slippers. Okay, or Puma. No, let's do Nike. So we're gonna rock it with the Nike. All right guys, I'm gonna try it on and then I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. Yes, you will.
Yeah, man.
You press play, you press the red button. Alright guys, so basically, I change off my next outfit because I'm gonna give that away, but this is my outfit of the day. Alright, with my Nike slippers and my tees and my high waist jeans. Right, this one is a booty pop. Right? Alright guys, so this is it. I'll see you later.